Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance with NFT Treasure. First, ensure you have both a verified Binance account and an active NFT Treasure profile. This integration allows for seamless asset transfers and enhanced trading opportunities. We will cover the essential steps to link your accounts securely, ensuring your digital assets are easily accessible across both platforms. This process is straightforward and designed for efficiency. Before connecting, make sure both your Binance and NFT Treasure accounts are fully prepared. On Binance, complete all verification steps, including identity checks, to enable full functionality. For NFT Treasure, set up your profile and link a compatible wallet. Having funds in your Binance wallet, such as BNB or other supported cryptocurrencies, will facilitate any transactions you wish to make on NFT Treasure. This preparation ensures a smooth linking process. Now let's link the platforms. On the NFT Treasure website, locate the Connect Wallet option, usually found in the top right corner. Choose the Binance Smart Chain Network, as this is the primary chain for integration. You will then be prompted to connect your Binance wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection, which typically involves a few clicks to confirm permissions. This establishes the secure bridge between your accounts. Once connected, verify the link on both Binance and NFT Treasure. You should see your Binance wallet address reflected on NFT Treasure. You can now easily transfer supported NFTs and cryptocurrencies between the platforms, leveraging Binance's liquidity and NFT Treasure's marketplace. This integration opens up new avenues for managing your digital assets, allowing you to buy, sell, and collect with greater flexibility and efficiency. Enjoy your enhanced experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.